Guys, in today's video, we are going to see how we can create a Python calculator using Python, and which will boost your confidence towards the Python programming language. You will feel that it's a simple kind of programming language. It is not very hard. So let's get started. So guys, before starting, I would like to tell you that I have created a Discord channel, and the link is in the description and also in the pinned comment. So this is a place for coding enthusiasts. All those who are interested can join, and I uploaded my Python ultimate presentation, which will help you to revise and explore the and learn the Python programming language easily. So this is the Python ultimate presentation, and it will be uploaded on Discord channel, and so please join the Discord channel. So, and now let's dive into the video, and let's see how we can create a calculator using Python. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a calculator which calculates only adds. Means we cannot subtract or do any other operation, but we can add using that calculator. And in the upcoming videos I will guide you what are operators, what are float variables, and all other things. Then we will create a full flagship level calculator. So first let's make a basic calculator using Python, so that you can develop a confidence in yourself to learn Python programming language easily. So we are into our VS Code, our IDE, and now let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to show you some crazy Python commands. uh, Let me increase the font size. This is all right. So first one is print, like we had done it earlier. Print hello world. So we are going to do that. Print like we just need to write print hello, and hello is printed simply. And if I write if let's twist the program, and if I remove this double quote, and I just write print hello, it will surely display an error that hello is not defined. But if I remove this from here, and if I create a variable named a, and in it I write hello, and in this I write hello, and then in the next line I print it without any quote, I will get hello. It printed without any double quote because it was stored earlier in a variable. Guys, variable is just a space. Variable is like just like a space. You will find the definition of variable in my Python ultimate presentation, but I will guide you like this only, that variable is just like a place where you can store things, like there's an almirah, and in it you can keep jewelries, your clothes, you can keep other stuff, you can keep utensils, etc. So it's upon your choice what you want to keep in it. So that's particularly referred to as a space in which you can keep anything. So that's called a variable. So I have kept hello in that almirah or that variable, and the name of the almirah or the variable is a. I am saying almirah again and again just to guide you. So the main name is variable. So I have kept the name hello in the variable, and I am going to print it. So the content under almirah or under variable is just printed like hello. And this is string. As I told you, if I write hello 1 2, it will print as it is. String just refers to the another name of string is just as it is. As it is printed. So now let's get started, and I will show you another programs. Like if I write here hello, and if I write here 4, I will show you that how useful is Python. I will write 4 asterisk, I will put an asterisk, I write 4. So what it will do, it will print hello 4 times. This is an operator used to multiply two things. And so guys, in this, if you execute this type of program in Java, it will take around approximately 5 to 10 lines of codes easily, but in Python it is done in just 2 lines. So that's crazy. And now if I write Python and I write in p is equal to hello, and I write world, and I write a plus b, I want to print both. So hello world is printed. This we have not added it mathematically, but this is a sign of concatenation. Concatenation refers when two objects are joined together, or two strings are joined together, or a string with a variable is joined together is referred as string. And if I put a space here, it will have a gap, and it's printed hello world. So that's about it. And if I write here a plus, if I write here a plus, if no matter if I write b plus a, then what will be the output? World hello. Why world hello? Because b has a world and a has hello, so they have swapped it. So like that. And I would like to tell you one thing, that a is equal to hello, b is equal to world, so they are printed as print a b plus a, so they are inverted. But I would like to tell you that print b, guys, if I in mathematics, if I write 2 plus 3, what will happen? 5. If I write 3 plus 2, what will happen? 5. If I if then again I write 2 plus 3, it will again result 5. But in this, if I write a is equal to hello, b is equal to world, they are going to surely interchange. And if I write a, and if I write a plus, if I write a plus b, it will result as hello world. So that's the thing. Now guys, if I write here 4 asterisk hello a plus 2 asterisk b, so hello is printed 4 times, and world is printed 2 times. That's the magic of Python, how easily we can do this. So without wasting any further delay, we are going to I'm going to show you how we can create Python program. So first we need to take input from user. So let's add an introductory line to our Python program. So just we need to write print, and then I'm writing in it sorry, I'm not sure. Enter first number, and then I'm going to take an input. For taking input, I will write a short code, a short syntax. This is a syntax, and the syntax is that I will write a is equal to, a is the name of the variable, a storage, a is equal to input. So and then I'm going to print it. First, this is the basic, and then I'm going to print a, as I've shown. Print without any quotation, I will write without any double quote. If I write a, enter first number, I write 32. 32 is printed. Guys, if I write here, if I suppose if I write it in double quotes, print a, what will be the output? What will the output then? Enter first number 23, and a is printed instead of 23, because I have inserted it in double quotes. Double quotes means, as it is double quotes basically prints the double quotes is basically the storage for strings, not for numerical value, or not for the value which keeps changing. And in variable the value keeps changing, but string is definite. Now if I write here enter second number, if I write in it enter, I'm going to type enter second number. So and I'm going to create another storage location for it, that is b is equal to input. B is the storage location for the second number, and then I'll write print a plus b. simply I'm going to write print a plus b. So I'm going to show you what will happen. If I enter the first number and I take the input, then I take enter the second number and then I take the input, and then I print a plus b, not in double quotes, because in double quotes the things are exactly printed. So if I print like this, enter first number, I write 2, enter second number, I write 4, and the output will be, what will you guess? The output will be 8. The twist is, no, the output is going to be 24. I write 2 and 4 they are added like that. So how to solve this? So first you need to create, we need to typecast it. For typecasting, we need to just write we need to just write a is equal to input, and we need to write here, and we need to create another space known as c. We need to create a variable named c, and we need to write c is equal to int. We need to convert into integer value. Like we have this input command. This input command is used for entering string value, not for entering any integer or float value. So this input command is particularly used for inputting a string value or as it is value. So we need to write c is equal to int, and then we need to typecast it. We need to convert the input into into an integer. So we need to write int a, and then we need to write b is equal to input. We need to and then we need to convert the second number, the string of the second number, into an integer value. So we need to write d. I am creating in a space named d, and I write here d is equal to int b, and then I am going to print the string value. Now I am going to print the string value, that is not the string value but the integer value, that is c and d, because they are converted from string to integer. So I am going to write print c plus d, and I am going to print it. Enter first number 21, enter second number 7, and I get the output 28. So successfully we have created a calculator to add, or a program to add two number. Not completely a calculator because it cannot multiply right now, but in the next video I will show you how we can multiply, divide, or minus or mod, and do other things like a simple, like normal calculator. Now I'm going to show you some more things. Like if you do not want to type 7 lines of program to do this task, we can do another thing. Now guys, this was the program to create a calculator. Now I am going to show you simple this program, or the line of code are of 7 lines. So I am going to show you how we can do it in approx 5 lines. So we need to, in this program I am going to create one thing. I am just going to list a variable named f, and I am going to assign its value. I am going to create a variable name f, and I am going to assign its value. Which is like in this print statement I have added one line c plus d. So the print statement, statement I have added the integer value of a and integer value of b. I have added it in print statement. Now I am going to add it in this variable. So I am going to here type a or c or plus d. I am going to type it and I am going to print this value. Guys, before our print statement, whenever Python interpreter will come to the 8th line, before that only the sum is there. So it will directly print it directly. So I am going to execute it. Enter first number, I am going to enter 12. Enter second number, I am going to enter 12. The answer is 24. So it is executed before that only. So I am with the same concept, I am going to do one thing. I am going to write enter first number, and I am going to write take input with input in that same string. I'm going to write a is I'm going to write a is equal to input input, and I'm going to write enter first number, enter first number. And then in the b1 I am going to write, and I am going to write b is equal to input enter second number, enter second number. So these are the two things we have created as input in string. This is a string or a definite or as it is thing. So I am going to convert it. We need to write a variable c, and c equals to int. We need to typecast it int, and we need to, and here we converted the first number a into into an integer, and now we have to create, and now I am going to create the second number into a variable. So I am going to write here int a plus int b. So here it is converted, means I have converted and added both the numbers. First I have converted the string value to integer, and then I have added both the integer, resulting the sum. So I am going to just print, and I'm going to type I'm going to write print, and I am going to just write c, and the sum would be printed. Enter first number, I am going to enter 21, enter second number, I am going to enter 8, and the answer is 29. This program is done in 4 lines. So now I am going to make it a bit more attractive. So I am going to here write, and the sum, I'm going to here write the sum is, and then I'm going to write the sum is, and then I'm going to put a comma. Comma is basically used to, like, I have this prompt is basically, this prompt or this comma is basically used to like guys, the sum I've entered, the sum is this is a string, and it would be just printed as it is, like this. Enter first number 98, enter second number 0, and the sum is, and like it is printed as it is. So, and I've inserted a comma to add a variable to this string, and as soon as I click on, I type here c, enter first number 7, enter first number 9, enter second number 9, and the sum is 18. So I have inserted a variable to it. So guys, if I write, if I write here int, if I write here d, like without any logic, if I write here d, so what will happen? Enter first number, I have entered 12, enter second number, I have entered 23. The term d is not defined. I haven't defined d. Where I have defined d, what is the value of d? Is d a variable? I have not stated that. And if I write c, so it is printed. Enter first number, I enter 12, enter 8 number. So with this we have come to the end of this video, and before ending I would like to show you one thing. If I write here PowerShell, Windows PowerShell we have entered, and I write here Python, we have entered the Python interpreter with 3 greater than sign, and here I write 3 asterisk 4 43. This Python interpreter also acts as a calculator. So the calculator program in Python is very easy to make. I will guide you how to make a full flagship level calculator which multiplies or divides, mods, and also I will tell you the definition of mods and adds also, and do multiple other things. So we are going to make that calculator in the next video. Till then guys, subscribe to our channel, and also join the Discord server. The link is in the description. Till then, keep coding.